Good morning, adventurers. We are here at Roaring River State Park, and that's Roaring River right behind me. First of all, had some audio issues, so bear with me. We're going to start off here on a 1.5 mile loop at the Devil's Kitchen Trail. And then we got some couple other day hikes to do after that. Let's go. Check this out, oyster mushrooms. Alright, so Devil's Kitchen Trail here is known for its rock outcroppings and its cool rock formations. Like that shallow cave we saw earlier was actually the Devil's Kitchen. But it's such a great day today. It's about 65 degrees. I spent about 20 minutes here just climbing around in the rocks, just having a good time. Alright, took a nice little break. There's a lot more people here than when I was originally here. But our Next hike is on the other side of the river. It's about a 4.5 mile hike. So Roaring River is fed by a spring, Roaring River Spring, that's right around the corner here. It's at the end of the loop, so we'll be coming around and we'll see that at the end. I didn't realize that there was a big fish hatchery here, just after the spring, at the beginning of the river. Alright, look at this. Cool rock formation. Alright, well, I'm about 3.5 miles in, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick break here, eat a snack, and then we'll finish this loop. Alright, took a 25-minute break, ate some snacks, re-energized. Let's get back on the trail. Alright, folks. I really hate these things. This one doesn't look too bad, actually. It doesn't look high enough, though. It's weird. Anyway, let's go. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, like I said, it's kind of weird. It's not even above the trees, but it's still pretty terrifying up here. Woo! Awesome. Well, I'm gonna head down before it collapses to my death. I'm gonna head down. Well, proud of myself for making it up there, but no real good view. Not really any better than the view down here on the ground. Wait, I better make sure I go the right way here. Yeah, this is the right way, okay. Beautiful fall colors though. And a beautiful day. These oak groves out here are just beautiful this time of year. All the reds and browns. Awesome. 5-mile loop complete. Got a little spur trail here back to my car. I think it's 0.7 miles. And then we're gonna have some lunch. And then we got another hike after that. So the spur I took to get up there was called the Trailhead Loop. I took one way to get up there, so I'm going to take the other way back. And then remember, there's the spring down on the bottom. We're going to go check that out too. Ladies and gentlemen, Roaring River Spring. Alright, adventurers. I ate a turkey sandwich, some yogurt, and it was amazing. When I got back to my car, it was packed. There was people everywhere. But it was nice to have a picnic table right next to the river to sit and eat. It was beautiful, relaxing. And then I drove it was like a 4-minute drive to the Eagle's Nest Trail. It was a short, I think it was 1.3 miles. This section of trail is a crime scene. No tampering with the evidence. Alright folks, back here at the car already. That seemed to go really quick. Eagle's Nest Trail, not that great. Weren't really any good views or anything. I feel like I just hiked down the hill and then hiked back up again. Green tunnel pretty much the entire way. Beautiful, but nothing spectacular. The first trail was pretty cool. Had some pretty good views, some good rock formations. Devil's Kitchen. Had a really good time climbing around on the rocks. Spent a good like half hour there climbing around and having fun. The Fire Tower Trail was pretty tough. They were right. It was pretty steep and rugged. It was definitely challenging. The fire tower was kind of lame. It was short enough for me to climb all the way to the top, but not tall enough to see anything. Beautiful, beautiful day. It is now 75 degrees. It's about 2:30, which 2:30 is what I estimated I would be done hiking here today, so it's perfect. Just a great day. Beautiful river, beautiful spring, clear waters, jumping fish. Good time. Well, I got a few hours of driving down to Arkansas, and I'll see you next week down in Arkansas at Hot Springs National Park. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, help me out, and I will see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.